In this video, we're going to talk about how to customize the flyer that we built in the last video. If you didn't see that video, you should definitely go back and watch it first. So the first thing you're going to do is hover over the design you want to modify and click Edit. Once it loads up, you're going to scroll to the top of the page. And the whole idea with this is that we're going to change the photos on this flyer to represent the property that we're listing. So we're going to go to our uploads, and we're going to upload some pictures from our computer to the design studio so that we can use them in this design. So go ahead and find them on your computer and select them. And once you've selected all 5 of them, or however many you have, go ahead and click open. Now when you hit open, you'll see that all of those properties populate into your uploads. They also show up on the main screen, so let's go through and delete all 5 of those. To change the picture in the flyer, go ahead and double click on it, and then select the replacement picture from your uploads. And now you can adjust this so that it's framed and cropped any way you like. So you'll see I'm adjusting this, and I want it a little bit more beachy, so there we go. All right, now I just need to update the property information. And so the first thing I'm going to do is update the address. And while I'm doing that, I want to draw your attention to what else is on this page. Directly below the address box, you'll see a dividing line and then a single line of text. That's where you would highlight information about any events at this property, like an open house. And then you'll see a paragraph. That's where you're going to tell the people who are looking at this flyer the best features of this home. And of course, at the bottom, you're going to see the square footage and the bedroom and bath count. So let's continue down to the bottom of the page, and we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to select the upper right-hand photo here, double click, pick the replacement from your uploads, and we're going to do that on the other 2 pictures. As you can see, it is extremely simple to build a co-branded flyer. And looks like we're done. We've completed this flyer. Congratulations, you now know how to build a co-branded flyer.